Why are you getting low views in your YouTube channel? Why are you getting low subscribers and low engagement in your YouTube channel? You don't need to worry, because in this video I'm going to break it down to you in a professional way so that you can understand that there are 7 secrets that you can use and apply in your YouTube studio, and you can actually go viral and earn YouTube and win it in YouTube like more other creators and more other YouTubers in the YouTube platform. What's up? My name is Whitey Benjamin, and if you're watching this video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like and share this video to more other YouTubers. Now let's jump into my YouTube studio and I show you magic on how to do it. Now, as you can see, this is my screen, and as you can see, we have my channel here, we have channel analytics and everything. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, I will click on upload defaults here. So when I click on upload defaults, I'm gonna click on advanced settings here. So the reason why I'm clicking this one is because I want to show you the first setting that you need to know in every YouTube channel, that any setting that you should turn on in your YouTube channel. So as you can see, we have automatic dubbing here. And automatic dubbing here, we have allow automatic dubbing. So you must make sure that this setting is set. As you can see, you must make sure that it is there and it had been set automatically. So that is the first setting that you must make sure is set, and you must make sure that it is on. Now the second thing that you want to do is to click on content. Then after clicking on content, you can choose any of the videos here. So then you click on the pencil sign. Then after clicking on the pencil sign, you come here. Then after coming here, you can decide to auto-generate. But if you auto-generate, you must make sure that you click on the layout that is attractive, because you can, if you upload without uploading any thumbnail, you must make sure that you click on the auto-generated one. That is a professional one. The thumbnail that is looking good, that can attract viewers and can attract so many people. But if you just leave it that way, YouTube will just choose any. But if YouTube chooses that is not good, that is not recommended, that is not attractive, you will be having low clicks, and you will be YouTube algorithm will not like your videos and will not promote your videos to the next audience. So those are things that you need to take care of, and you need to turn on automatically, and you must make sure that they are on. Now the second thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna click here on cards on end screen. So when you click on end screen, you must make sure that end screen here, you have set this end screen in every video that you have. You must make sure that you've set end screen in any video that you have. So because if you set end screen in any of the video that you have, YouTube will link the videos together. Because if somebody would be watching your video, and after watching your video, YouTube will recommend another video that is on the end screen. So that is what you need to make sure that you've set. Another thing here, we also have cards. So also come here into cards, and after clicking on cards, you must make sure that you set cards in between your videos. So as you can see here, we have one card is here, another card is here, and you can also make another card. You can also set another card in the overall video. Just to make sure that you've linked the videos together and you've made videos in a professional way so that they can be recommended. I wanna go here. So after that, you just save. So another thing that you need to do, you need to, after clicking on video, you just go back here. Then after going back, you come to click any video. So let's say I've clicked this video. Let me say I've clicked this video. So I'm gonna click here, editor. Then after clicking here on editor, so what I must make sure is that I make sure that in every video that I'm having, in any of the videos that I'm having, I must make sure to put subtitles in any of the video, because if I place subtitles in any of the video, my viewers and my people will be able to know that this video is recorded in English, but so as other people can translate the recorded English into French, recorded English into Arabian, and any of the form that you can do. So there are things that you must make sure that you set. So another thing that you must make sure to click on the analytics. Then after click on the analytics, you must make sure to track on the analytics of every video
of every video behavior and everything. Yeah. So you can click on any of the video. Then after clicking on any of the video, you can decide to click on video. Then after clicking on video, you click on the analytics. Then after clicking on the analytics, you can scroll down and you see the graph. So as you can see, these are graph. It means that people have watched this video. Around 72% have watched the video from second 0 to 30 seconds. So it means that most of the people are clicking off at around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Yeah, as you can see here. So this one will help you to plan your next video in a professional way, because if you master the analytics and if you've seen how YouTube is always behaving, you will need to increase in the next video. We need to make the next video to be professional in a way. Yeah, so that one will help you, and that one will also help your videos. I will help your growth in YouTube and your creativity. Yeah, so you must make sure that you track the analytics and the reports and everything. Yeah, but just because you need to do it on YouTube, and if you want to do it on YouTube, those are things that you need to do. You need to track them in a very special way. Yeah. So another thing that you need to do is to come back here. Then after coming back, you click on settings here. Yeah. So after clicking on setting here, we have upload defaults. Then after uploading default here, you come back here. So what you need to know is that if you're doing music, you need to know that you should choose the category of your video. Either you're doing music, you're doing audio, you're doing gaming, you're doing film, animation, entertainment, education, and everything. So you must make sure to choose the type of niche that you're doing, the type of category of the videos that you are doing in a YouTube channel. You also need to click on you need to choose the title and the description of the language. Yeah. If your description and the titles are always in English, you must click here to check if they are in English. If your video language is always in English, you must check here to show that your video language is always in English. Yeah, and that is how to do it. Yeah, so after that, you can also come back to channel. Then after coming back to channel, you can make sure, you have to make sure that you set the residence of your country. Yeah, whether you are from Kenya, whether you are from Nigeria or any other country, you must make sure that you check every place. So here you have to choose your country. And after that, you must make sure that you place correct keywords, because these are the keywords that YouTube algorithm would use to expose your videos to more other audience and more other creators in the YouTube platform. Yeah, so the last thing that you need to do, you need to check on the features. Yeah, so you must make sure that all these features are enabled. As you can see, we have standard features, it is enabled. We have intermediate features, is enabled. And we also have advanced features that are also enabled. So you must make sure that all these things are enabled in a very nice way. And if you do so, YouTube will start recommending your videos, and you start getting views, and you start putting engagement in the YouTube channel within your.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If this is your first time in this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. Yeah, there is a playlist up there that is talking about the secret setting that you can apply in your YouTube channel. Yeah, remember to watch that playlist, and let's grow and earn in YouTube and win like other creators and other YouTubers in the YouTube platform. Yes, bye-bye.